Sabi niya, sino ba itong matabang nakatayo dito? Oh, there's another fish. Different fish. Ito ibang isda to, parang bangus ata to. O bisugo. Ito ibang isda to. Naligaw. There's a different fish. Oh, you see it? That fish is long. Because you see, look, they go away because you make so much noise. You see that? That one is a long one.
What is it, tilapia?
The other one is tilapia. This one is tilapia too, but there's another one. It's long. That one, look, Mario. This one. That one. Ayun. Malis na. Oh, there's another one. Oh, right there. It's gonna come out. Right there. Oh, yeah. Yan ang tilapia. Yan ang tilapia. Tinan mo. That's the tilapia. Right there. See it? Now it's gone. Punta na naman sa lungga. Oh, bumalik. See, kumakain siya. Oh, you put rice? You throw rice? Big fish, man. Why? Tutuwa si Eko. Sabi niya, naku, marami akong kamag-anak nakita ngayon. Hindi siya kilala na kayo eh. Tignan mo, nakaano. Nakikipaglaruan,
He got handsome now.
Nakikipaglaro siya,
He got handsome now, the guy. The ugly one. The ugly one is handsome now. She's not mad because I call him ugly, right? He's handsome now.
Kunin yung mga pinilat niyo bago kayo pumunta.
Ano pa kukunti lang punta na lang natin doon.
Now, right?
Kunin niyo doon yung chinilas niyo. Ito. Sino pupunta doon? Dali. Hello.
Hey, Elefante.
Si Kuya.
Elefante.
Bakit? Andito kami kay Tita Lili mo.